As you can see, you've got the image of the back of the phone to showcase the color of the handset in Sorta Sage. You've got the Google logo at the top there, name of the handset, and the fact it is a 5G phone is indicated on the front of the box. This is also replicated on the side. On the top you've got a Google logo, on the side of the box another Google logo, and then on the bottom you've got information about the phone and the hologram indicating that it is a Google product and it's an official Google product. On the back you've got the Team Pixel hashtag and nothing more. So let's now get into the box. So as you can see, you've got the two seals on either side of the actual handset box itself. Let's get rid of these. Simply peel this off. Now I'm going to turn this the other way up. Slow release opening there. And as you can see, the Pixel is presented on the top of the box there, and it's showcasing the back of the handset in the Sorta Sage. And it's actually a very nice looking color. Let me just take this out. It's a very nice color, and straight away the first thing I notice about this, besides the color, is the fact that you've also got a green metallic logo just there, which is great. But let me put that to one side. Let's see what's actually in the box. So underneath this tray you've got the paperwork, which normally the quick start guides, warranty information, and of course you've got the little pin there to add your SIM card using the SIM card tray. On the inside of the box you've got the 18-watt charger, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and also a adapter for your USB Type-A to Type-C. So getting back to the handset, I'm taken aback by how nice this phone looks. As you can see, it comes with this little protector here, which I'll get to in a moment. Let's try and turn it on. So as you can see there, you've got the power button, which unlike the other devices, it's actually very similar to the Sage color, but it's a metallic green, and it's actually quite a nice touch to that. Take this off. And actually it feels really nice in hand. It's a really nice size. The feel of the metal on the back, it's got a coating on it actually. You probably can't see it too well, but it's got a really nice coating, but it feels soft to the touch. I really like the fact that it's an edge-to-edge display on this model, and also the fact you've got a hole punch camera so you don't lose any of that screen real estate there. So this is a 6-inch screen. This has over a 4,000 milliamp battery. And so that should last me all day. On the bottom you've got the USB Type-C, you've got the what looks like speakers, but one of those is a microphone, and on the top what you might not be able to see there is that normally you'd have the speaker at the top here, but the speaker is underneath the actual screen itself, so it's actually quite hidden, so you don't lose any of that screen real estate. But that in a nutshell is the Google Pixel 5 unboxing. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.